Hello? My boyfriend now moving. He take sick and I don't know what like he dead. Cause he now move, me not have no pulse, nothing at all. Yeah, please hurry up, send somebody, please. Yes. Babes, one thing money I ask you for. One thing money,
Remember, so me done tell us say.
I don't
Remember,
want
so me
your...
done tell us when me get a money weekend, you get a money. And what so when me can still have pressure me feel like money.
You little money? You might have money at home, Richie. When last you give me a money, look for me ear one do and stop and I want put food in my house. What you mean by that? I don't understand.
You always make it sound like some nah give no money. I give you money, you know.
How often you give me money, Richie? I want the money, I want the money. I'm tired of excuses.
You ever hear me ask you for money?
Look much time I lend you my money. When people them send money come from foreign give me. But you know easy. You know you're ungrateful. You're very, very ungrateful. Me notice your style. Like you pick up flux a road.
Boy, God no, me no know how long me can go undergo this, you know.
I don't know how long me undergo it, but I know say for very, very long because I stuck on you. Me stuck on you like ticks. You ever say ticks in the skin? Yeah, me go want the look of money. Come and get the look of money, man. I want the money, Richie. I want the money for the thing.
I want go on here, so. I want
What
go on here.
man and spend money for woman and he not give me nothing. I want the money, Richie.
Hold on, wait there. No. Me and no friend, no bother with it, no bother with it.
Me I tell you, too terrible.
Every minute me come out no yard do not war. I want
Faith, you think of me? I problem. I share I problem.
And she my problem because he's too mean. Me tired of it. I want money for go do things and take care of the house.
Alright. Why money you know want? Why problem? What you want? Money?
Faith, listen, okay, how much money me give her? She still want more and I blame me say me a woman.
You not get nothing for it from morning. So what cost this every time? Me not understand. A roadside don't live and every time me come here there's
just like and as me ask him about the money, I cook food and buy like a food support. Me tired of it, man.
If you have money, just give her until me have a money me give you back. Because
you
me not have no money.
No, hold on there no. Nobody with about the shame thing. Me and a friend. I phone no have me tell you so no can ask for it. Right now me not no cash for me, but me can go down at ATM and draw some money and come give you. So if for the money I problem, please me ask you if it stop it. Cause it no sound good at all.
I must see this relationship.
Alright, Faith. Come, if you are get a little money, me walk with your ATM and then
no, me want to make sure say the argument done right here so between the two of you. Because you know out to fight little while when me come here.
You know done.
You see same thing.
More money, Faith. You don't know how I
come on, call me money.
No, here now. Well, me not left it to you now. Yes, so one now no come with me for the money, but me not left it to you.
Come.
Terrible. I want the money.
Come, Faith, calling me money. Come, calling me money. Come on.
Alright, you know bother with the quarrel, man. Jesus Christ, me tired of it.
Faith, me go left him now. Me go left him, man. Me tired of this.
Che, you say if you not live good, it makes sense you no left. Because you non-stop until problem come in our midst.
She always a chat me, you know. Say, man, do me this and do me that, but I just chat him a chat. He can't do me nothing.
Don't do it, no say it again. No make that they come out of your throat. You're mad? Them are people here anytime they tell you anything so them how they will do it. Me not say she will do it, you know, because I'm a friend. But be careful of what people say to you nowadays. That not sound good.
Enough for that. The already long chatting. Come on, man.
Really?
Yeah, man.
No, take it slightly.
Come get your little money and make she get it. Alright?
Alright.
I'm tired of her, man. Sure.
Miss Gwen, how is your day going? Thank you so much for calling me back, man. Yes, Miss Gwen. So did you send the money? Hello, Miss Gwen. Remember, I'm not a thief. All you need to do is send the money in order to get your prize. Yes, Miss Gwen, remember, say you did buy the lotto ticket. And I'm here to let you know that you are the winner. Come on, no, Miss Gwen, man, have little faith in me.
Yo, Romy.
Miss Gwen, just go to the Western Union and send the money. Miss Gwen, you need to. Miss Gwen, don't. Miss Gwen. Miss Gwen thinks I rob me a try rob her.
You know, say up on me yard, me there, me say me go to the road there and come back when me see you. Say me there shout you. You there, you good?
Yeah, nothing go on, you know. It's like I give me out to give up this thing here, man. I gotta look real working, man.
No, man, you sound so.
Yeah, the client them nah do the thing the right way, man. Them nah do what me tell them to do. Like I beg, man, I beg them.
So where you call him from?
I don't know them list from over there, someone.
Yeah, man, but which company you call him from? Cause if a publisher's clearance house, you know, man, that now work again, you know.
What you mean?
Brother, publisher's clearance house no work again, bro.
Really?
No, dog. Different style we have them for now.
What you say?
I mean,
Say a foolishness me I do from them time, ne?
brother, I'm out there. Watch on the man, is in 2024 and now a different ball game. Different ball game.
So what you use? What you use, you know?
Right now, you say no. There's a new way, bigger money. The best way I'd make them send them $50 is they a joke thing, brother. A big money we are dealing with now. Right now is the direction, you know about the direction?
Direction where you find yellow pages on them sitting there,
Alright, and me I bring that this me I force somebody bring that style in alien. Me.
So what you do with the direction?
Alright, let me tell you. You see, when I call them from the direction,
Mm-hmm.
you come and say they have their number in it.
Right, I'm listed.
I know enough of them, everybody have somebody a foreign. So you just call them from a style and make them know say, yo, you're calling from such and such place in America and you're calling from as a lawyer. You understand? So when you call him as a lawyer now you tell him say such and such die.
Mm-hmm.
You get me I say? So such and such die and they left some money or they have over there. You know say that's how America work. When people they left money, you get it.
So like when time somebody dead, anybody can claim it. That's how them deal with it over there.
Right, cause you don't know say that's how America work. You get me I say? So when you call him from out and you make them know say alright, say John Paul dead and he left some money and in order for you claim it just then send them email address. You understand?
Yeah.
So you go tell them say I will email them information how and you go fly down with the money. But in order for you fly down with the money, you make them know say yo there's a fee where they have to clear and and then they might want to use the style pan you to say you fee clear, take your tight. Now time say you can't do that. You have to come down, but in order for you take out your tight state, you have to write out something. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. So I direction I run the place now, brother. You
So
know?
I'm gonna get the running now. Me use the directory, I'm gonna call up the man
Mm-hmm.
and tell him say yo, them have a dead relative and tell him say me I call from wherever we're in the country.
Mm-hmm. Anyway,
And then
anyway.
And then so when time I tell him that now, I'm gonna tell you, watch you now, no. Me want you, me I go send me an email so I can send you the proper information.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that, me I want fly in with you. Me I go need you for foot the bill for me fly in with your money.
Right. Simple thing, man. A simple thing. I just said it now, brother. Right now. What you think I pay my daughter school fee? Eh? me top call people from publishers claims house, brother.
So watch you know, you know, no directory there. I know directory is long time I never see one of them there now. What's the directory no man?
Me a one brother, but me I use other day me got one of the bank them and get one of the direction them, you see me? Brand new too, so you don't know say you have some fresh set of number in the leads that.
Let me, man. I'm going to do a one run, man, and see how go on for me, man. Most of me can catch up in a week. Yeah.
Alright, I'm just only need 2 days, you know.
Please.
2
Need
days.
Need it.
No worries, sir. I soon come back.
Alright, my G. What do you mean? Let's go and move yourself. You feel like it, man, have a beg or nothing. See, me have new link here now. Where you go say now? Who's on skirt? You can't take time with me here.
Alright, you know, I'm take time. Because I know say you give a girl them attitude when you're in your head. So I don't know make it hot for me now, man. It's too early. It's too early.
You see, simply so little thing I talk about me here, and you go talk about girl now.
So you don't have girl with me?
No, but
One thing girl me text your phone and night when I sleep, I go in your phone and show me not answer nothing, you know. I show me can't take a bag for the argue with every minute because I'm not going away because you do your own thing, so I just allow you.
me talk about me here and you talk about girl.
Yeah, because you have other girl for me and nothing wrong with me. I only make woman feel like something wrong with them and nothing wrong with them. You just stay how you stay and I see your mother grow you because I meet your mother a good woman. And so she grow you.
Right, yo, right now I feel like you better make somebody else do my head, you know.
Alright, so you stay. And nobody else can go in your head. Me alone I come here for after today.
No.
Personal, I'm a man head.
Yo, more me just feel like say it better me alone deliver, you know, because me can't bother the argument, you know.
So I put you on and put me out? I don't put you and try to put me out. I must not hear good, so me I'm going like me not hear what you say. Argument is a must in a relationship. Teeth and tongue have to meet.
Yeah, but for me, teeth and tongue and meet too often.
Well, we in this together forever and it don't meet when you meet and I just say go. You have to live with it. A part of the contract.
But yeah, make it sound like some me can't live.
Well, if I go, no left my inner it. And any day you try let me a debt before the sun. Because we in this forever. So just put that in your big brain. And hold it good.
No, I not even too like how that sound too, you know, like it and do me things.
Right there, so shade. I'm afraid of you. You feel like I say you won't take me if you eat it and disrespect me if you're not girl and me just take you so. You're crazy, man. You must stop and lick your head somehow.
Alright. Me done talk. Just don't rip under me head there, man.
Yeah, me almost finished. Right, doing. But left I go.
Yo.
I eat this?
Yeah, man, I eat this, man. Just run through it, man.
This is simple maths.
Simple maths.
This is start anywhere in your book and go on.
No, man, you go in something part. Because yeah, some of them are business number them too, you know.
Oh, so I'm
So
going
you're going at the residential part.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright then. Yeah, man, I give it a run, man.
Yeah, man, try it out.
Do it, my G, man. Respect, man.
Yeah, man, Wednesday, Thursday, I come feed.
I say a word, man.
Alright, look more.
Ah, brother. Yeah, you know, a joke thing this. Yes. Hello? Yes. Is this Althea right? Yes, yes, man. This is Althea right, correct? Yes, Miss Wright, man. How is your day going? I am up really calling with great news right now, you know. I am calling from Trinidad. Yes, ma'am. You have a late relative that, oh my goodness, my condolences to you and the extended family. But you have a cousin that you just lost. Yes, Miss Wright. No, man, no scamming thing. Yeah, man, so watch this now. Your cousin had died, left some funds, you see, and he left it in your name. Yes. Tell me, say this is not great news. Yes, Miss Wright. So what I would want you to do now, you see, I want you to send me your email address because we want to do things formally now. I don't want you to think that we're trying to scam you or anything like that. So you need to send me your email address so I can send you a proper email with the necessary information, because now I need to get in contact with you personally, and so we can transfer the funds smoothly into your account. That sounds good? Yes, Miss Wright. Just send me your email address as I said, please. Right, lovely. No, Miss Wright. Miss Wright? Are you there? Miss Wright?
So I want Lisa a long time I don't see you.
Yeah, I'm there. Right now, I want to buy some bread on the road for me here. Come here, look at hotness.
Let me see it.
Look all full, man. And you know, me have natural hair. See root them growth and
Yeah,
stuff.
you want to fit you. You want to. Anyway,
What
I'm to Richie. A long time I don't see Richard.
Can we do that?
I say your man got my friend like that, you know.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, I have to know if him alright, just like how I want to know if you alright.
We're good, man, friend. We're good.
Tone on my best stick, so I want to know what I want.
Yeah, we're good. Faith, girl.
So Richie,
I love him steadily.
hold on there. So Richie stop work?
No, I can say that.
Because me hear one little talking down the road the other day, you know.
Yeah,
Like one
say.
bar. Hey! I pass and me see some rummage man down there. You know when them a play domino and a drink, all them can
Yeah, and them talk. When they drink, come and talk. Yeah, man, tell me.
Lisa, if you hear how the man them a exaggerate on Richard name.
My Richie?
For me. I could have for Richie no more.
You know, I'm saying I ask just to make sure. When am I calling my name, say?
Boy, Richie name in a song sitting down the road, how much a girl with you and one hip sitting.
I was like that.
Yeah, and how he come down the road, I can go on like I say, he can play domino. And other day he go down, they go play domino with the boy. Them not tell him some, sister, you know. And then win him and take how much money I find him. I won't get so much money from.
You know, say them something me I talk about. That's why when you ask me, say, me and him good, you know, me just say, well, you know, me and him always have ups and downs, but try your friend sometimes, it make me just feel like I'm not to say nothing. You know, to ever notice him treat me? I tell you this. A long time here today, you know this, you know. And if he ever thinks I want to take up no next girl and left me and made him just for long and sufferation and everything, you know, gonna work out. Because he can't let me go nowhere. Once him there with me, him stuck with me for life. I'm in a run joke. You know me obsessive and stable, my man.
Lisa, let me tell you something. Me and Richie are friends for years, and me are friend for years. But you see the mix up them where Richie name are going on the road, me not like it.
Woman.
Man all a plan for doing things. You understand me? Because them a say him a David.
Hey, woman.
For them woman. So me no know how it go between you, him and them.
Richie now come put my life in a jeopardy, you know. Friend enough faith, but want him, you know. Want him. Faith want him as your friend. Right now you in a middle relationship because of one thing. Are your friend like that and you
Look here.
Want him. Are you the right name? It's like want him. Because me and him now left so.
Oi.
And him now cannot come give me and sick me out.
Me tired for talk to Richard. Me talk to him about the company them when keep. I frighten. Me want to know if he still a worker or him boss raise him pay or whatever, but it's think a road said then he say he have money and same thing. Girl,
and him have money and me not really get no heap of money from himself.
that's why me dey ask you, when get money from that thing I'll go play domino till then I'll win him and take off how much money I find and me say have all man a par within a party and he pass and buy how much hot clothes girl and sitting. Me not tell no lie. Girl,
this
me know. And you see where you and him true? Where you and him go through sometimes you're hungry and my yard you have to come in and talk about you know me and your friend.
Me know.
Me and your friend and you know say anything you ask for me we give it to you. But Richie can't have so much money and him a struggle and suffer so long and he not buy nothing put in your house give for eating too wicked. And me go see him and talk to him about him.
No, if you tell him the truth now, fear is fear.
Lisa, you know
something to talk to him. He is for decoration, because him not listen. Me don't know what happened. Girl, no man, don't disrespect me. No, I stop. At 2024 now, I stop take disrespect for a man. Me not take no more disrespect if me not.
I always say I say.
But
girl, I always say I say, cause you see this moment you talk this and that about Richie. By the time I look at you and him so again, that's why I don't want to go in a body relationship because it's when you take yourself and go put in a relationship. That's when it won't know head the pamphlet and I don't know what to talk about you know.
Friend,
so I don't want to mix up. Because I know you love Richie and Richie love you, but I don't know what is the problem. He don't want to take care and get no money, but he might give that woman money on road.
But that piss me off now. Because right, let's say you take me for idiot. Because the girl them out there, so, you know, them just a play a role just because, you know. Because I end the day, if you try to take one of them serious, none of them don't want to.
No, but me know Richie long.
Get to look of money.
Girl, me know Richie long time. Me never know say Richie a idiot. What money me say girl them a take off him a road?
My man a big goose the road and mine woman.
And he not no money. Because of that they come borrow $25,000 from me. So when I do borrow people money and act like me money and go give girl a road and go gamble?
You know that?
Well, he better happy.
He must come home, you know. He must come home because this is news of me here, man. I like you and he must come home.
So when he man left this morning, you know, left no money there.
Like what?
So you know eat from morning?
Them boy, you say my mouth kind of then dry.
Jesus Christ. Oh God.
You know, say you my combo now, you see me talk about ear for do. Ear now, I'm going to probably do until next year, my love. Because him, you give girl money and look at me head dry. Dry, nothing to talk about money.
She go buy some here and you do over your ear. And if you not have to give me back right now, that's not nothing because me and friends. So
I want to get ever check for your friend though. But him and your friend, you have to tell him my mind.
I'm a friend, I'm a talk to him. They may not talk to him in front of you much time.
I don't know. Like if I got time up and beat him or something.
No, listen here now. Even though I not like what I do, you see the relationship with the violence and the war and the problem thing.
I don't like it.
No.
Time up in our
I don't want it to fight. It must can sit down and have a proper conversation and deal with whatever.
See, let me tell you something. Even though your friend, you see, if Richie thinks that him can left me and go with girl whenever care about you when you're in a body, I lie my tell. Me make him disappear and can't find him.
No.
And it's so wicked to me.
No, hold on. Just listen me for a few.
I'm come up in our ancestors for 1 week straight, make him bite out in backside.
No.
Me have evil side of that.
No, listen to me now. You see the relationship.
Wicked to me.
Just listen, me understand. Just listen me. Just give me a few when me talk to you. The two of my friend. Me not encourage you to one for war. Cause you see the violence in the relationship, them it not make it not work out.
Emotional war, mental warfare right now.
You can plan for do him something and then him plan for do you something and he end up got jail and you're dead or whatever. You don't know what can happen. So guess what? Just forget about the problem in the war thing and this and that. You know, talk about it and see if you can deal with it better.
My feelings hurt, Faith. I say right thing, but right now my feelings hurt.
Lisa, me know your style, you know your love go war, man, you know, listen to me.
Yes, man,
no, man, just listen to me, man. Just see if I can deal with the matter in a one different way. The third to tell you, every relationship where you see war in never lasts for long. So careful away you do, because you know you love him. Why sense you go damage one man where you love and you still want him? That make no sense?
I say you don't love me enough because if you don't love me enough, you would do this. I can't consider this.
I'm not saying I love you. I'm not going to that party. That's between you and him. If you go sit down and discuss about. Because I not make no relationship, so I not break none. But when I say, I deal with it better.
How did you call me? Hello?
Hello, good morning, Mr. Richard Blackman.
Who is this?
Hold on, the man. That will be revealed to you in short order. This is Mr. Richard Blackman, correct?
Yeah, man.
How is your day going, sir?
Good enough.
Really? This is lovely. Well, I am going to make your day a great and an exciting day right about now, you know.
How you can do that? How you can do that?
So let me just confirm this first. This is Mr. Richard Blackman from Montego Bay Main Street, yes?
Yeah, man.
Well then, I am speaking to the right person. My name is Chris Crooks. And I am a lawyer from overseas. And I am calling you with bad and great news at the same time.
Yeah.
Yes, man. You see, you don't remember losing a relative in recent time.
Oh, yes, my cousin Chris Blackwell, yes.
Chris Blackwell. Chris Blackwell is your relative's name, man. You see, you know what I'm talking about. Well, Mr. Richard, would you believe it that Chris Blackwell has died and left all of his royalties to you?
A lie. So hold on, let me ask you, so how me get that money then now?
Well, no, that is just the simplest and the easiest of things. So what you need to do is that you need to send me your email address so I can send you the necessary information, and I want to do it legitimate so we can have paper trail, you see me?
All right. Take me email. You have something? Can take me email address?
Go right ahead.
All right. So it's richardblackman@gmail.com.
How does it feel to be endowed with so much riches right about now?
Wow,
Me in shock right now. Me not lie, me in shock. Me can't believe it, but me glad still, cause right now me just can't come out of poor life. Me glad.
Well, this is going to be your lucky day because watch this. You have just one more step in order to get out of that poverty that you speak of. All I will need for you to do is just send me just a fraction. I just needed to sign up some papers and to send my plane fare so I deliver your money to you in person.
Right away, sir. Right away. No delay.
All right.
Yes.
Wag lang.
There, you know. Just a take hard life easy, you know.
Right. So you walk on now. I let me call in to come on a little thing for borrow.
Where you want money for do now, Richie?
Then me really have to tell you why me want the money. You can't
But I just other day millennial want money, all know you not give me back yet. Where you want money again for do? And I want amount of money you want so now.
Alright. So when me tell you, me don't want you to tell nobody, you know. Me don't want you to tell nobody. You what happen? Me don't know if you didn't know, so me have some family member in Nigeria. Yeah, one of them dead, and he dead left a portion of money. And the lawyer contact me and tell me, say, I mean dead left the money give. And in order for me collect it, me have to send a portion of money come for then do the paperwork and make me get the money.
What amount of money you want?
Probably around maybe 300,000, 2,000 US in total.
So when me can get by that now? You know some me willing already, you know. But me just want to know when me can get it back. Because me have a lot of important stuff to sort out, you know. But me and your friend, and it look like you're in need of this, so I am going to lend it to you.
Alright, here what I plan. As soon as I get the money, we just send it go give them, they sort out the paperwork and they will fly down. Come make me get the money.
Soon as me get the money, me already have the money.
No, as soon as me get the money.
Oh.
Yes, so me go just so here when you get it back now, when me start out and in fly down with the money, guy lie I go fly down with it, you know. So he fly down with the money, then me just give you back for you and me give you a thing for the money.
Okay, so you and Lisa talk about this?
Listen. Lisa don't know nothing about you, I don't intend to tell her nothing, because I tell her the truth, you know. A long time me and Lisa there, but a long time we are toko, cuss, and bad living. So you see, anytime me get this piece of money, me a left her. And that me a try to tell you. Yeah, man.
Richie, me and friend, I mean, I like what you just say. Me and you and Lisa, friend, me not like what you just say. You realize what you talk about your woman say?
So what you really want
As soon as you get a piece of money, you left your woman, Richie, just because of money. Half of they come from so far, me not agree with that.
So hold on, so what you expect me to do?
Richie, just hold on a bit.
If you get the money and still there with Lisa?
No, listen what me I say now. Richie, you see for me like you and me plan to left whosoever me there with, me rather left the person first. Can I go look one way because I want one portion of money where you get your left the woman where you and him they struggle so long how much years. I wanna reach this far now and say money you left. Me not agree with you upon that one day, but it up to you. It up to you. Me can't tell you say no left or stay, but if me like you, me stay because foolishness I do.
Yeah, me not really business, you know, man.
And wickedness that.
Being a pastor, as me saying, no, man. When me get that money, me I get a new hot girl. That me I try to tell you. Because a long time me I talk with Lisa and him and miserable up himself. I'm tired of it, you know, man. Tired of it.
You hear you? As soon as you get the money, you go get one new hot girl. Y'all let me chat foolishness. Let me turn around. You know where hotness takes?
Money. I'm gonna have money.
So how long that the money they go serve you for? As soon as that the money they done, the hot girl gone left you. Where you do? Go back to Lisa?
Listen, man, me not go donate all that money, you know. Me go invest some of it, buy some new vehicle and start one little car rental.
So true, you get little blessing now because one of your family dead. You're ready for left the somebody where and him struggle so long all along in your life. We wash, cook and clean and do everything for you. and stand up with you all when you don't have nothing. All when time he hungry, he still they suffer. And yeah, that wait upon you if you come home with one bread. All when you not come home with nothing, he sit down there and wait upon you. And she could have cheat upon you and not cheat upon you.
Faith, you have lend me money here now.
Me go lend you the money, but me not like this way they plan for do. This a plan and me not involved in it and me not want in it. Me not agree with it.
Yo,
Me go lend you.
Just
Me go lend you.
lend me money. Lend me money.
Me will transfer it to your account. Look here. Me lend you it. Me lend it, but just make sure say me get back the money. And when you Lisa in your bangarang, don't involve me in it because remember from the beginning, me not agree with you if you do this.
All right, and
Me
please,
not care.
please, me I ask you, don't send. Me know say me and Lisa are friend, but please don't say nothing to her.
You're lucky. You ever tell me anything yet and me go tell nobody?
All right,
Me not tell her nothing.
Me just
Why
want-
you not tell her? I feel your woman.
Me just want
matter of fact-
just want you to know, and don't say nothing to Lisa. All right.
You should have able to tell your woman. Why you think say me go tell?
Just low out that no man.
Me
low
no
out
like where you just do you grieve me and this and two your wickedness this stuff it there with woman right through your strugglings and fear strugglings and when you're ready for bust in a
Listen,
real
man.
life you go left it woman.
If Lisa
God
when a good
forbid
woman,
any man me get yo.
if Lisa when a good woman would and tan share me wealth with him, and me and she good, but she no no good woman.
So you know
Like,
say she no
right,
good woman or long all and struggle so till when time you bust now.
Right now I try to tell us I'm not happy, you know. Me not happy none at all. Every day I just ningy. You think that's happiness?
Richie, don't send the money come give you. I wish you all the best. And that
All
you
right.
come to me about?
Yeah man, so you
Don't transfer it to your account. Don't worry yourself.
me go cut go deal with some business.
Yeah man,
and me
just
make
check
you
your
know what I
account.
want.
Check your account. Me will send it.
Alright, thank
Me
you.
will send it. Yeah man.
Yeah, what happened, girl?
How
How
happened?
you look, sir? You glad to see your friend. Give me a hug, man. Come on.
Girl, me a work from morning. Me tired like what?
Hmm.
I wish Breeze bro you here so.
Girl, you know me have to come look for a friend and plus me have a couple of things I want to talk to you about. Kind Richie now going good at all. Right now, my stress me out, girl.
Lord have mercy, I was again, Lisa.
Exactly. Again and
Tired of
again.
it. What happened?
Right now, Richie now sending no money, no girl. Right now, nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. When he gone all pan weekend work, then he never say, "Make him send look money come give me." Or when he come, he give me money in my hand, girl. So obviously money I go somewhere else, but me not get it.
What make you see so?
I'm not get no money. Some money me from borrow for you now, cause girl, me not have no money. I may have to buy a little stuff. Me must say me
Hold
a
on.
woman.
Hold on. Let me tell you something. You know, say if me did have money, more than you don't.
Yes, my friend. That's
Because
true.
me a friend like that.
Mhm.
Also, Richie, I'm a friend same way. But Richie, first you. Richie beat you up on the way. Richie come already, come borrow some money from me.
Richie come borrow money from you.
So me not
and
have
Richie
no-
don't give me no money for when, girl. Not even look for food in our house. I'm tell you other day, so me here want doing something, girl. So that means that all the money you did lend me for do me here, all I gone.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. You know, say I'm a friend. I'm lending it. But
tired of
as
Richie
soon as
being
me
there,
get one
you know.
money, we make you do a year.
So where Richie borrow money from you for do now? Cause if him a work and he not give me none of him money, when money I go,
Lisa, same like how me and you are friend, me and Richie are friend. Same how me lend you money and so me lend Richie money.
yeah, man know say you come
But
like that.
the money when me lend Richie, I don't know normal piece of money. I want nice piece of money me lend him.
So nice. So how much money I let him suffer yet?
I don't really want to tell you the figures them, you know. But I plenty money me lend him because him have some important document to sort out. Him family them in Nigeria dead left some money.
Nigeria.
No mind chop all land to them dead left. So, you dey worry about Richie? You're soon alright. Richie well set.
Richie not tell me none of this.
In life alright.
So if my plan to include me in none of them, none of them, the home me know about it.
Me no know you know. Me no know, but
So much money
maybe
you lend him.
look
And
here.
talk it through. Nobody come pick up feel not to your friend too.
Lisa, me not even should have tell you this. Me know if you tell you this no
girl.
all.
Come my man now give me no money and say I want money now.
Look here. The man beg me if not tell you.
Me I beg you to tell
So
me, cause me
shouldn't
a
tell you
friend.
no and all, but me already tell you. Me tell you why me lend him the money.
Me want know how much money you lend him.
He say, as soon as these documents them start out and everything, he will give me back when me lend him when he borrow from me and give me more money too. That means you have whole heap of money to get.
Wow.
Yes, no, your man.
So girl, if me did not get money, me at least get one little piece of money where my work rich me enough.
He no
Me
get
no
it
watch
yet.
it, me no.
He no get it yet. So maybe when time he
Make
get
me
it.
know everything, cause I'm always I come tell you things. Make me know everything we go on. Me want know what go on, cause something not add
Me
up
not
with Richie.
understand it too, no, your man.
My point exactly, I tell you everything and I tell me nothing.
So-
If I hear that other thing, so you're not involved, but me know you not stay as a friend.
Lisa, me and friend, you keep man with Richie.
Girl, I'm a joke I make though.
Me no in no joking, me ask you one question. Me and your friend,
No,
me
but
supposed to
I'm a
can
joke I
ask
make,
you.
'cause you know me not do that faith. You know
So
me not do that.
why are your man? Are you your personal man?
You mean from a personal man, I'm
So
with
why
it
him
for
a
those
keep such a
years.
secret from you?
Something wrong.
Remember, say me and him a friend, he nah look me. And me and him no there, me no want him.
Something wrong. Richie have something up in his sleeve, girl. Something has got to be wrong.
Me no know why.
I
You
don't
know.
get no money from a
But
man.
remember, me tell you say, don't tell him say me tell you, cause me no if you tell you no all. Nobody call back my name,
Girl,
do.
I said nothing. Lip seal. That's where key. What you say?
Girl, 10 tour in a one. I'm going to tell you a secret, but do me the beg you in the name of Jesus, not call me name. Zip up your mouth for now. Okay.
Zip.
You know why he tell me say? He say as soon as he get the money, you and him left.
Allah ya tell.
Okay,
Him a whole left.
allow me to tell.
Him a whole left me. Hey, you've got to be kidding me, oh. What you say?
You're deaf.
Rich, I know Rich know some me a mad girl. I know Rich know some certified in a madness. Me, you reach out and left me. We suffer with it all long.
A
Must
dirty
crazy.
man. Yeah, you're a friend and me and him a friend, but me I tell you, woman to woman a dirty
But
man.
you know, get-
Do not call me name, me I beg you.
I can't
Jesus
believe
Christ.
this. Before the man to make go over there, go build up some things and do business and live and go back to a root. So they will
He
come
don't
from-
love you. You know see?
Obviously, I mean alone in love right now.
Cause money go make him left you. Look into it. Lisa, look into it. Me name have to tell you this. Do not call me name in the name of
Girl,
Jesus.
you know
Don't
me
call
don't
me
call your name. I can't believe this though. You love your phone, you was sweet in your phone, so.
A Facebook me depend.
I do.
What people do on Facebook?
Enough things. You can look on pictures, you can text people all type of things. But I don't know what you do, you're not trustworthy, so I have to ask.
We know people do on Facebook. I scroll through on Facebook, I look on picture.
Who for picture?
Just
Let me see phone. Who you look on?
my program, my phone, a random picture me I look on.
Anyways. Okay, you go do what you want regardless. You have nothing what you want to tell me?
I don't know you try come off with that what kind of question I ask me. What you mean say if me have nothing to tell you?
Richie, you sure you don't have nothing what you want to tell me?
The
You can't even look at me when you talk to me.
listen, the only thing me have to tell you say is one of my cousin from Nigeria. Him plan to buy a piece of land and he send them in lawyer and me go meet them and go show them some land about the place where I sell. That's the only thing me have to tell you say.
Richie, anytime you tell lie, you say you pick your nails them and go on. Don't make it always a lie to me.
If me see sitting on my finger, me no must pick it. What make you just feel say a lie me I tell you?
Richie, years me and you there. If your foundation and relationship start with lies, it will end with lies. So you need to know what you do. We can change things, but you need to know what you do. Come and know you lie to me.
So why me go tell a lie say my cousin I send in lawyer
We
come?
can come. Exactly my point.
Alright, you know what, come on done.
Alright, fine. Well, me will come. I'm gonna trust you. And that I issue right here, so.
Faith. Faith. Hello. What happened?
Come, more hold on the reach video. Come on.
How happened?
You never tell Lisa nothing, right?
About what?
Remember somebody calling can borrow a little money from you and tell us say my family member them from Nigeria I sort out a piece of food for me. And
No,
if we she come home, if we Lisa come home and a talk, me I wonder if she know nothing.
No. Anyhow she know, I must you tell her. I could never me. You ever tell me nothing yet and you hear people are going to tell her back say me say? Me no know nothing about that. If she know. The only somebody did when you tell me and me, you and God. Unless a God go tell her, I could never me. I want
Why?
between you and she now.
She not really said nothing to me about it, you know. But just the way how she a question me and ask myself if me not have nothing to tell her and Ray. Me feel like she knows something. But anyway, me not really tell her nothing still, you know. Me just tell her say yo, my cousin
So
from
she call my name to you, say me say you say.
No, listen, me I tell her say
Oh,
man, me
cause you
never
frighten me.
No, me never tell her, so she tell me say are you. The only thing what happen is that the way how she a grown and a come on and say if me not have nothing to tell her. So me just tell her say, yo, my cousin send him lawyer from Nigeria and they want to buy some land out there, so me go meet him and then she insists and say boy she want for out. So I say alright, come. But please do you know. Remember say me ask her from the beginning, don't tell her nothing, you know.
Me not tell her nothing. You deaf?
Alright, if you say you never tell him, fine. Because me I tell you the truth, me done tell you already. Soon as me get that episode of money there, for me and our relationship done.
Richie, you're your own big man. I mean, it don't tell you already. So anything where you want to do, it up to you. It up to you.
Alright, no problem.
Now I'm going to that part there.
As me say, when me done collect your money and everything, me make you get back for you and me give you a thing for you, alright? So me go cut you now still, but please remember, don't say nothing to Lisa.
If me never tell her already, me don't tell her now.
Alright,
How
later.
long you tell me?
Babe, I know you like your tea warm, so.
Alright,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Say alright now, babe.
Yeah man, me good man.
Yeah, you know me love you, right? Yeah, take your time, man. You must say tea hot. Yeah, flow pan it hot. Take your time, man. I must say hot, man, to burn up your tongue. Yeah, take time. Alright. Done?
Alright, thank you, yeah, baby. Tea
Glad
tastes
you
nice.
like it. Like, yeah, I'm glad you like it. So where you gonna now?
Me go and chill, me not gonna right now.
So you just up so nice, so you're not going nowhere.
I just feel put on some clean clothes and just up, man.
Okay. Alright then, me wash up some plate and make you get something to eat, because I know so you love your belly.
Alright.
Alright. So when I go have to stand up out here, so I will stand up so long and wait for this so-called man where you wait for.
Listen, no, man. We can't just go by people in the hotel. The man so if we wait out there, so until he come, then we go by hotel for him meeting. You too fussy, man. That's why I never want to carry, you know.
Me fussy? Me always humble. I can't take a long waiting, this long waiting. Call him man or something now. Or send somebody go call him.
I can't call him, man. I have to just wait.
Right.
I don't feel too good. I turn up out there so too long, I don't feel too good.
Warm to you.
I don't feel good, but I feel like I don't want to go home right now. I don't want to go lay down and sit. If in case I not me just probably wait until the man call me, tell him something. Yo, come on, I don't feel too good. If me call me, if I not me try call him when we reach him or something. But come on, I don't feel so good.
Come on. You just why? Yes, man, you good. You don't think you could have reached and switch out and let me crazy Bright here, because I got put in one fool. Hello? Oh, my boyfriend now moving. He takes sick and I don't know like he dead. Cause he now moving, I have no pulse, nothing at all. Yeah, please, hurry up, send somebody, please. Yes. No, 123 Love Lane. Yeah, we see house for the front. Please hurry up. Jesus Christ, hurry up. Alright. Yeah, girl. Yeah.
What happened? What happened? What happened to you? Lisa, what do you?
Oh, God.
What do you?
Yeah,
Lisa, what happened to you? Want you to talk to me now?
God.
What happened to you?
She dead.
Where you say? Yeah, Richie did a fight.
Richie dead.
Richie. If you're Richie, my friend.
Yes.
What you mean he's dead?
Baby
What you
dead.
mean he's dead? What you mean he's dead?
Girl, I don't know. He just don't wake up back. He just don't wake up back.
Lord Jesus, I don't understand this story. Yeah. What you mean? He did a drink? He over drink? What way?
We're gonna collect. We're gonna
All right. Oh God.
collect.
Sorry about everything. Sorry. What happened? What
We're
happened?
gonna collect him money. And when he come back, he said don't feel good. He just not moving. Just not move.
So you know, make no police know. You can't keep this a secret, you know. Listen, you cannot keep this as no secret. You have to tell the police. Just calm down and tell me. Me we understand. Oh God. Me understand the struggle and the feelings where they go through your body right now. But just calm down a little bit so you can talk.
The ambulance come for him and they carry body gone.
Oh, the man already know about it.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, you know me I go to know. You said me I forgot go to station. My girl, me I go to station, you know.
Oh God, my one friend just gone, so.
I can't believe my man dead. I feel
So
cold.
go on there. So what you gonna do about it now? What you gonna do?
Girl, me I go to station and make them know say me a woman for years and enough me go through with him. Everything when dead left, it double dead left. Come I say people ain't dead left and him dead left, so double dead left. And for me, enough me and Richie go through and then I go so. And he just dead for me so. Me go want everything.
What you say?
Everything.
Lisa. Richie just dead. And hear where they talk.
Well, look, man, snakes will go through with him and you know your girl. I will never want nothing. What you mean?
I understand this. He just dead. And you say you go down a station go tell them saying dead left this and that and a few. Careful of where they do.
No, Faith, be
So
fair
hold
now.
on. Like how him dead. Remember say me did lend him my money. All the part there go. How me get back my money now?
Because then I ain't talk my money. I'm never talk about
No.
the left
That
money.
different. Me lend him money. And all of a sudden he just gone dead so. And you are a man. And you they claim everything. So for me part of money I go. Me want to hear about it.
Alright, you me go do it. Me bury him. And me give you money, me start out everything. So you get your money, half of me bury him, because I have to bury him first and then something expensive. So half of burial and everything start out. You can get the money I want left for me. Because we don't have no picnic and no picnic or nothing like that. So everything are for me.
Me not understand how Richie just did so.
Me not understand
All
either.
along in good.
Me just
When him broke in good. He not no money at all. In good. Him a suffer and in good and know if he get piece of money and he just dead so.
No, I come like I dead left money just left it dead pan him because something wrong. Something wrong, that's why too much dead left no good. Girl, don't take your dead left money, you know. But you make me keep it. You sure you want back your money?
Well, if me no want it back in a Richie, I did my friend. All me have to do, it depends on the amount of money for the casket and everything. If I not me look into it and make you use part of it and support the thing, you understand? Or me just give you light and done, cause me not understand how he just dead so. Just the one little bus where God go bust him in a real life, he end up dead. No man, something me have to find out. Look here, let me tell you something. You see, let me tell you something, Lisa. You see, Richie, I'm a friend and you are my friend. Me no understand that death here.
I don't understand either.
As Richie, I got bust in a real life. He just dead, so. Anyway, the obvious man there, me dey find him. Because me have to find out what happened. Fiend that now go down the drain, so I'm my friend. Me have to find out what happened. This is serious.
I want to find out too.
You want to find out too?
Yeah, I want to find out because something not right.
Jesus Christ. What a wickedness.
Something not right.
So it look like saying it for stay in a poverty. Stay in a sufferation and in the living today.
Something wrong.
What a wickedness. Oh God.
My station, cause I feel weak. Help me get up. I feel weak, friend.
Oh God.
Get up. Just dead, so big.
All right. Lisa, me can follow you go down to the station.
No, come. No.
You know me follow you go down to the station.
Me weak, but me hold on the sidewalk.
But at least me could have helped you hold you up, me and friend.
Alright, me strong enough to put me through. Me alright.
Alright then. Alright. So take care, eh?
Man, dead.
Alright. See if you can buy one bottle of water and drink. Yes.
My friend.
Yeah, and see if you can feel a little better. Where your slippers there?
Man, this is bad, man.
Yeah, what? Oh God. I'm sorry about everything. Sorry, you hear me, love? If I anything you can call me. Hush. Sorry, darling. That's good. What a wickedness.
I'm here to make a report about my boyfriend that recently passed. Oh God, I feel nervous and shaking. I'm still distraughted. Anyhow, like as I was saying, what I really love for an adult investigation because I want to find out how I'm dead. Cause I'm not understand I'm just dead by myself. And I mean him did it for years after I go through ups and downs and everything through and then all of a sudden in family in relative dead left money and from Nigeria and we say we'll collect the money from the lawyer and next thing we know come back him just pass out and dead like even though I'm still shaking like I kinda lost the words but I know like I don't understand him just dead so and him just dead gone left me alone so nothing I want to know so me forget something too because yeah I me and him through everything officer technically me him come on law wife for years me and him dead him just dead and gone left me so
That me want to ask you. So you are the girlfriend, right?
yes
Come
sir.
on now.
Technically
Because not there for years.
yes sir.
Okay, good. All right. So let me ask you a question. When him passed, where were you?
I was right there with him.
Oh, you was right with him?
Yeah, but I never know him dead. Like, him say him sleep and him just now wake up.
Just sleep away?
Just like
Wake up dead?
So like, yeah, me I'm calling him now, move me, touch him, and shake him. That's how I realize him dead. Yeah, hardy, heavy. My heart weak right now. I'm weak.
Oh.
I can't deal with it. Him just dead. So officer, I want to know what happened to the money because I forget my little dividends. And me alone did that suffer with him throughout everything. And him can't just dead and him family can't take everything and me not get nothing.
So hold on. So you're grieving. I understand and you're asking about money now. Right?
Yes, sorry, but even though I'm in pain and it hurt, me still have to know what's going to happen. Sorry, like, you know, I have to know what's going to happen to you because I have to bury him and something.
It might sound strange, but I mean, in cases like these where somebody go to bed normal and they wake up, no longer there, they die. You know, sometimes foul play is in it, but just listen to me. All right, and stuff. So anything is possible. Does he have any enemies that you know about?
Not that I can think of, sir. Because all of my friends, them, I feel him friend. Me no, and we have good friends. No.
Oh, okay. All right. About this money that you're talking about or whatever what you're supposed to get. Does anybody know anything about money stuff and you know?
No, not really. As me tell you, like we only have this one friend and she wouldn't do that. I don't think she would do that. So I don't know if nobody would want to hurt him or anything of that sort.
Oh. Okay. So you get to understand, you You went to the hospital with him and stuff?
Yes, I did,
When
sir.
I mean, after the deceased, you were the one, so you're the common law. I guess
Yeah.
you're exactly where you went exactly after you left the hospital. May I ask?
I went straight to my friend's house and told her, and then she advised me to come here.
Oh, okay. So with all
He
of that,
just gone, left me side,
hmm.
just gone, and like it really,
Well,
really hurt.
things kind of look a little. I mean, somebody get up, go to bed early, get up and
Just like that. We go normal, and he just come back. He say no feel well, he had a hurt him, and he say must sleep after something.
and then that was it.
That was it. All know me wait for him to wake up, and he wake up and call my phone.
Well, I have to do a little bit of investigation on this thing, but it kind of look a little fishy though. So, sometimes foul play, as I say, is in this. So, I don't know what to say, but I have to go investigate about it. All right?
Yeah, investigate and make me know, because I have to bury him, and I want to know what go and feel like money officer.
Okay, because I see that, you're still relying on talking about money, so.
Oh, I go survive, and him always take care of me.
It's all right,
I
it's
mean,
all right.
no subject be carried alright, I know I may get work or something.
Okay.
All
All right, I feel your grief, man. I feel it. But anyway, thank you for coming. We'll get right onto it.
Yeah, please keep me posted, officer. For anything, you can call me.
All right.
Officer,
Yes?
I'm going to stay with some family member. We can have somebody to cheer me up. Because I don't feel safe and I'm alone. Everything I did always me and him. Everything we do together. So, I stay with some family member country. See time being.
All right. What we can suggest to you, it's a country, but at the end of the day, an autopsy has to be done. All right?
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, you cannot leave the parish because until the autopsy returns,
I can't
no,
leave.
you cannot leave. You have to remain here. Because it's have a little bit of the foul place, but you cannot leave the parish. All right?
Alright.
Okay? Don't worry yourself, man. I've seen all this before and stuff. So,
Alright, so I'm never go home then. It really sad to there by myself and all things. I
right,
can't
right.
don't remember
But
him.
you cannot leave the parish. Okay?
Alright, may I beg my friend cause stay with me then. You have my address and everything, so just keep me posted.
All right,
I
no
want
man.
you to find out who killed him because I just did so.
All right, don't worry about it. You just have to wait on the autopsy, okay?
Alright, thank you so much, officer.
All right. Anyway, all right. We'll keep in touch, all right? Boy, this one here look very suspicious.
Good afternoon, officer.
Yeah, man. Good afternoon.
I come to give you some information about one friend we may have. Me and she a friend, and me and her man a friend. Our man pass. And me not trust that girl. She look suspicious. Him have some family. And Nigeria.
Where?
Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yes, and one of them. Remember, say we are all black, we have family all over the place, sir. Which part he come from? Not really.
Continue,
but me just
continue.
tell us something when he said to me.
Continue.
So one of his family them pass off. Yes. So then left everything in a fame name. One heap of money, land and everything. In a Richard name.
Richard.
Yes, Richie name Richard. We just shorten it and call him as, Yes. He did want me and say me not fi tell him woman. But he tell me, say anytime he get the money, as soon as he get the money, him and him woman a left.
Right.
But me never agree with him. God know. Look. Me never agree. And he say, me not tell her no lie, Faith, as me get the money, me a left her, cause she this and she that. Me say, alright, it up to you. It up to you. But me not think say a good sitting here, though. Me no know if I tell him, go tell her saying get money. But Richie did poor and alright. everything I did I go well with him. Because if he hungry, you know, he can depend on me for money. Anything, whether food, anything, me give them. I'm a friend like family like that, you know? And all of a sudden, God bless Richie. He boss now. And because he boss in a real life now, he just dead so. Sir, I want you to listen to me carefully. Him and the woman there for years in a poverty, sufferation. And indeed alive and nothing to do him until he get that piece of money. I mean, no say. Me no know nothing about him debt. But you see woman when you have, sir, always they say, he might go poison him or he don't do something to him to kill him. And me always the one I say no good something, you know. Because the violence between woman and man no good. And she no listen to me. No, Richie dead and gone. She come over me yard one day. Hear what the girl I go say to me, sir. Faith, you know say, me I go tell the police them say, like how in dead and gone, everything when you have a for me and me want it, me I forget it. Me say, you here what make me suspect her, sir. And a judge, if me a judge, God forgive me, but look here. The day when she come me had a cry out her eyeball, you know. Look how most her eyeball drop a ground. Me sorry for the girl. You don't know what she do. She bad, she walla, she roll. And all me they tell her say, make me follow you go down a station. You know what girl tell me say? No, me alone we go. Remember say, I'm a friend, you know, like that. She say no, she alone will come down a station and she come down a station and come tell the police them say. She want everything like how her man did. Tell me if you wouldn't suspect her.
Hold on.
And then couldn't agree every minute they used to in a war.
You telling me about Richard Blackman?
Yes.
Richard Blackman?
That ain't last name, I don't remember, but a son name, and my friend. Female friend.
What a piece of coincidence. Are you serious?
Yes, sir. I don't trust the woman. The woman is a wicked and my friend, but I don't trust that girl. I don't trust her.
Okay. So hold on. Apart from whatever you're talking before, about Richard's death, that's what I'm being interested in. You know anything about the death of Richard?
Sir, I'm not telling no lie. When Richard woman come over me yard, they ball out her eyeball. That was the day I know about the deceased. Officer, I want you to check out this. This is serious, I not trust the girl.
Anyway, you know, I'm onto something, you know, pertaining to that case.
Alright.
Right. But as time goes by, don't worry. You see this? It's longing for some hands. I'm going to take it from here because you give me a little bit of information here where, you know.
And no lie me they tell pani girl, if you call her and question her, you see the guilt in her face. Although me can't prove it, but what she they say to me kill me, did that she kill me friend.
All right, ma'am. Tell you what. Thanks for coming by. But, and that bit of information you give me, you know, it's helpful. And to tell you what, we're on that case already, you know. We're on that case. And don't worry. We'll be making some arrests, so don't worry about it. All right? Thanks for the information.
All right, sir. Because I don't want my friend go down in a hole and don't rest in a peace.
All right.
I need to find out what I'm going into.
You will. Don't worry.
All right, sir. Thank you.
All right? Yeah, man. Miss Love.
Hello, officer. How are you doing?
Yes, man. Come here. I want to have a word with you.
Good day, officer. Your money ready?
The money?
Yeah.
The first thing you come down the stairs to ask me about is money?
I think that already, officer.
Yes. Listen to me. When you come at my office there down at the station and you're talking to me, what did you say about Nigeria and stuff? Anything we say involve Nigeria, what do you think happened? Money and winnings. You don't have no idea what happened there, sir?
No, sir.
No?
No.
Everything is a scam.
A scam?
Everything is a scam. No money, nothing exists.
Jesus, no money at all?
No money at all.
Jesus great. So, I don't get nothing.
You don't have nothing to get. You're going to get something. You don't worry yourself.
But me have to bury him or something.
No worry, you're going to get something. Anyway.
So who scam him?
Why, I tell you, trust me. Anyway.
A scam and he dead.
Yes.
So who kill him, officer?
That's the part where I get to. Anyway, it's not the only reason I come here.
Yeah.
You know why I'm here?
I know who kill him, yeah.
You know worry yourself. Because guess what happened? You are going to be placed under arrest right now.
Me?
Yes.
For what?
Come here, let me show you something.
Officer, me can't come. No, I'm not do nothing.
Listen to me. Big, great, whatever information you want, everything leads to you.
Officer,
Foul play. Remember what I told you?
Yeah.
The result come back.
Mm-hmm.
The autopsy come back, and guess what happened? Poisoning. And
Jesus Christ.
it's not Jesus Christ, none. Everything lead to you. Me? Yes, you.
No, me kill him, officer, no.
You don't worry about that.
I'm a friend.
Anyway,
I'm a friend.
you're under arrest. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court.
I'm a friend.
Yes, listen to me. Let me finish what I'm saying. I want to make sure when I arrest you, you hear everything what I have to say because you have your rights.
No, not me.
Listen to me. Come here.
I not me.
Turn your back. Turn your back. Listen to me. It's not nice arresting ladies, but trust me.
Officer, I'm a friend.
Alright,
She
you
didn't
don't
know
worry
about
about
the
that.
money too. I'm a friend.
Alright, alright.
Tell us, I know me.
Come. Big yard here, go. Come this way. Hit up. Yeah, man, you drop now. Get up. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. We are at the end of the video and it's always a pleasure to create these wonderful content for you guys. You know me, I say it's been 2 months going on to 3 months now since we've been doing this, and it's always a great joy to create all them content for you and for just continue to push the movement to the next level. You know me, I say there's not a lot to be said. You know what I say? More than for just do the right thing, continue to share the video up, continue to tell a friend, continue to reach us, reach out to it and say, yo, we want to help with that thing because we want to get some props, we want to get some things in place because there are things happening behind the scenes of what we're doing in terms of making sure we have all of the equipment and make sure we have everything, and we are almost at 90% in terms of what we have and what we are going to move to the next level. We have 2 brand new cameras that we don't start use yet. We just get everything additional to use them, you know, and we thank those persons out there who make the great contribution towards getting them. Also, some come out of my pocket too because you don't know we can't do it by ourselves, so we thank the people who help. So, watch the video up, man, and we don't stay too long on the bag of talking. Continue to show support.